Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your App Store country. First, you're going to want to open the App Store. Then you're going to click the top right profile icon, and then from there you're going to click your Apple ID, and you're going to be given a list of options. What you want to do is click country and region, and then you're going to hit change country and region. And from here, you'll be given a list of all the countries and regions that are applicable within iPhone. So depending on the app that you want to download and where it is actually located or what country and region it is available in, that's the one you would want to choose. But be careful choosing this just because you could lose a lot of data or iCloud messaging and music by changing countries, because iCloud messaging and music is sometimes not available in the other country or the data doesn't transfer over. So be very careful, change your country or region if you don't want to lose anything that is useful to you. After you do that, you just head over to the App Store and you should be able to download whatever app you wanted to download in the first place, and it should be much easier to access. And that's how to change the App Store country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.